All right, practice problem 1. We're solving for y. Remember, it's y equals mx plus b. That's what I want my equation to look like. So the y needs to be by itself. Right now, I don't have a y. I have a 2y, right? But look at this. The x and the b are already on the second side of the equation. So I don't have to do the first step. I don't have to get rid of my x. It's already gone. I just have to get rid of this 2. So I'm just going to divide each term by 2. Now my y is by itself. 4 divided by 2 is 2. Don't forget the x. And then I have a fraction here, 5 over 2. So my m is the 2 and my b is the 5 halves. So on the exit ticket, that's what I would enter into my Google form. So this one was a little easier because we only had one step. Practice problem 2, we have 2 steps, right? Because I want this y to be by itself. But right now there's a 5 and a negative 2x attached to it. So let's get rid of this negative 2x first by doing the opposite on both sides. Bring down the 5y, bring down the 2x, and bring down the 10, because remember, it's y equals mx plus b. So we write the mx first. Now I got rid of the negative 2x. Now I've got to get rid of that 5 because I just want it to be a y all by itself. So everything gets divided by 5. So what does that leave me with? Just a y like I wanted. Bring down the fraction first, so it's 2/5, then bring down the x. Then I have 10 divided by 5, that's 2. So my m, remember y equals mx plus b. So my m is 2/5, it's a fraction, which is fine, and my b is a 2. That's it. 2 more times to practice and then your exit ticket.